Why is a broken leg a death sentence for a horse? A cow can break a leg and recover, and a person can be back on their feet in a few months. But for a horse, it's almost always the end. The first reason is their bizarre anatomy. A horse doesn't stand on a flat foot. It stands on the very tip of a single, massive middle finger. All of its weight is concentrated on 4 tiny points. If one leg breaks, the other 3 are suddenly forced to carry hundreds of extra pounds of pressure. This often leads to a condition called laminitis, where the triangular coffin bone inside the hoof, under immense stress, can rotate and slice down through the sole, causing unbearable pain. So why can't they just lie down and rest like we do? This is the core of the tragedy. Their body is a paradox, designed exclusively for standing and running. A horse's circulatory system relies on the constant pressure changes in the hoof from movement to act as a pump, helping to push blood back up its long legs to the heart. For a human, lying down is rest. For a horse, lying down for too long is a burden that can cause their blood to pool, tissues to die, and organs to fail. They are trapped. They can't lie down to heal. But standing on a broken leg and 3 overburdened ones creates a vicious cycle of pain and further injury. This leads to the next shocking fact. With such a fragile design, how did they survive in the wild? The answer is, they didn't. True wild horses are extinct. The few wild horses that exist today, like the Przewalski's horse, are descended from domesticated animals that were re-released into nature. Horses are part of a larger, declining evolutionary group called the odd-toed ungulates. They've been outcompeted by the more efficient even-toed ungulates, like cows, who have far superior digestive systems. A horse's single, small stomach is terrible at extracting nutrients from tough grass, while a cow's multi-chambered stomach can ferment it for maximum energy. So just as this evolutionarily fragile species was fading, it met the most unpredictable force in history: humans. We stepped in and fixed all of their weaknesses.
We gave them protection, shelter, and high-quality food. In return, the horse's incredible strengths, its speed, power, and endurance, compensated for all of our physical weaknesses. And together, this partnership completely changed the course of human civilization.